Can you name this bonsai by its leaf? Go on, take a guess, because today we're putting your bonsai brain to the test. 6 trees, 6 very different leaves. And by the end of this video, you'll be able to spot them like a bonsai detective at a garden party. Let's start simple. You've probably seen this one in shopping centers, dentist waiting rooms, maybe even your nan's windowsill. Waxy, oval, thick as a tiny dinner plate. Yep, it's the... Wait, it's time to pause the video whilst you take a guess. Indoor bonsai royalty. Beginner-friendly, and practically impossible to kill unless you really try. Yep, it's a ficus. All right, next leaf. Tiny serrated edges, soft to the touch, a bit like mini teeth on a tree. This tree's like the Labrador of bonsai. Time to pause again. This one's loyal, forgiving, and totally up for a haircut whenever. If you said Chinese elm, gold star. Now we're turning up the difficulty. These leaves aren't even leaves, they're needles. Clumped in 2s, sometimes 5s. Long, bendy, kind of like pine-scented eyelashes. Yep, pause time again. We'll give you a minute. Yep, it's the Japanese black pine. Classic bonsai silhouette. But outdoor only, this one needs seasons like we need tea. Tree 4. This one confuses beginners all the time. It's got tiny overlapping scales, not needles, and it looks like a little green reptile tail. The most Instagrammed bonsai ever. Another pause coming up. Also the one most likely to get underwatered and left out in the frost. Be warned. You guessed it. Juniper, 5th tree. Delicate star-shaped leaves, like tiny red-orange fireworks in autumn. These are seasonal stunners, but don't try them indoors. Ever. You'll turn this one into a sad, crispy salad. Last pause before we reveal. Go on no cheating. If you said Japanese maple, you're either a bonsai nerd or have impeccable garden taste. Quick note, our new bonsai book is out now. It's packed with everything from picking your first tree to pruning without panic. Grab yours on our website if you want a calm, clear path to mastering the basics. Follow the link that just popped up and use code YouTube 10 for 10% off. Last one, and it's a curveball. Thick, round, plump little leaves. Looks more like a succulent than a tree. That's because it is a... No reveal just yet, one last pause. Technically not a traditional bonsai, but a great indoor starter that doesn't mind if you forget to water it. Occasionally. If you said Jade, top marks. So how many did you get right? Drop your score in the comments and be honest. I'll know if you lie. I've got leaf reading powers now. If you've stuck around this long, we're a fan of yours too. We're sending you 2 good vibe Bonsai Barn bonus points that your trees will soak up and turn into pure awesomeness. And if you want to go even deeper with us, giveaways, expert help, a bonsai-loving crew, consider becoming a member. We'd love to have you. See you next time. Bring snacks, and maybe a watering can.